Hello friends, today I will show you balancing of a nail. Here is the nail. I will show you whether it will be possible to balance this nail in a trick or not. Here you see if I stand in this way, we stand in perpendicular directions. But if you try to stand in this direction, put the iron in this direction, it is falling. Then I have any tricks to stand this nail in this direction? No, there is no trick. But it can be possible with the help of a magnet, right? You see here that it can be stand in vertical position with the help of a magnet. Here you see we have taken a magnet here. You see this is a cylindrical magnet, right? And if we put it in this way, it will stand upright or in vertical positions. You right? See here. Here you see it can be possible to stand this nail in upright position in this way with the help of a magnet. Here you see, right? In this way we can stand this iron nail with the help of a magnet. See here. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.